Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, thank you for clicking on the video of our Octavia estate, KR20KNO. So this is the 1.6 diesel automatic SEL trim in brilliant silver metallic paint. The vehicle has been added to have a variable boot floor, which means the boot has two levels. The variable boot floor just makes it easy to load things in and out, as you can see, it's all one level. As standard on the SEL, you have half leather and half micro suede interior, which continues throughout the back and the front of the vehicle. The car currently has 2,007 miles. So as standard features, this vehicle has a built-in navigation unit, along with SmartLink, which is your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The vehicle comes with rear parking sensors, mode selector, cruise control on the indicator stalk, and automatic headlights. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call us on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.